Key fobs for Dodge Chargers from 2015 onward use a smart key system. The fob communicates with your car's computer, known as the BCM, via radio frequency using RFID or BLE technology for keyless entry and start. The basic process involves authenticating the fob by sending an encrypted signal to the ECU. To pair for older models, cycle the ignition. Newer models use the vehicle's menu. Press the fob buttons in sequence to sync. For models post-2022, you might need an OBD2 scanner or dealer access due to enhanced security. Stellantis rolled out over-the-air firmware updates in mid-2024, allowing owners to reprogram key fobs remotely via the Uconnect app without visiting a dealership. Always refer to your owner's manual for model-specific instructions to avoid system lockout. Digital keys are trending. Many chargers support smartphone access via Uconnect, reducing reliance on physical fobs. Future models may incorporate biometrics. When troubleshooting, be aware that electromagnetic interference from 5G networks can complicate pairing, which could be solved with UWB. Weak batteries are a common issue. Aftermarket fobs can pose security risks, potentially leading to theft attempts. Experts recommend professional programming for post-2020 models to avoid warranty issues and ECU glitches. Test fob range after pairing. Weak batteries are a common issue. Always program in a secure environment to prevent signal eavesdropping.